The OnePlus 10T is launching next week, and OnePlus has already revealed its design and key specs, including the SoC, cameras, RAM, storage, and screen refresh rate. Now, just a few days ahead of the unveiling, OnePlus has detailed the 10T's battery. Regardless of whether you are in North America or India or Europe, OnePlus says you will get 125 watt or 150 watt charging speeds only if you charge your 10T with the bundled Superbook cable and 160 watt power adapter, since the smartphone uses a 128-bit encryption algorithm that recognizes the official Superbook cables and 160 watt adapters to guarantee safe charging. However, we won't surprised if the 160 watt adapter that comes with the Realme GT Neo 3 150 watt charges the OnePlus 10T at 150 watt speeds. Speaking of adapters, the 160 watt charger, which will come bundled with the OnePlus 10T, will support power delivery charging protocol, allowing you to quickly charge your mobile gaming consoles, tablets, and laptops. OnePlus also talked about the smart battery health algorithm and battery healing technology on the 10T in its blog post, which combined can retain 80% of the battery's original capacity after 1600 charge cycles. You can head to the source link at the end of this video to learn more about the OnePlus 10T's charging tech. The OnePlus 10T will be fully unveiled on August 3. It's confirmed to come with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, 120Hz screen, and triple rear cameras. The camera contains 50 megapixel primary, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel useless macro camera. The smartphone will run Oxygen OS 13 out of the box and have 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage on board. However, there will likely be more memory options that are yet to be confirmed. It also remains to be seen if OnePlus will launch a 10T with a bigger battery and slower charging speed like the 10R, or if there will be just one version. On the same day, OnePlus will also introduce the OnePlus Ace Pro in China, which is expected to be the OnePlus 10T for the Chinese market, running ColorOS instead of Oxygen OS. Thanks for the watching. See you in the next video.